Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Forgive my voice. I'm losing my voice again, guys. But we are making up some corn casserole. Everything you will be needing is in the description. There's my ovens preheated. This is a good recipe for those who don't like any type of dressing, like with the onions and celery and all that stuff that's in there. It's a corn casserole, which is made with cornbread and corn, and you can basically add a few different things to it if you want. The traditional recipe is just the cornbread, the sour cream, the corn, and the egg, and that's basically it. But I like to add a few things to it, so I'm going to jump in here and get started. Here you'll be needing a 15-ounce can of regular crisp sweet corn. Make sure you drain it very well. You want that drained really, really well. And get you a 9 by 9 or an 8 by 8. The smaller the pan, the thicker your casserole will be, and you will have to adjust your time. I'm using closer to a 9 by 13. It's not quite a 9 by 13. But it's just like cornbread. When you make it up, test it with a toothpick, or if you're used to making cornbread, you can tell by the touch. If it's firm in the middle, it's done, and golden brown. And then I'll add a can of cream corn right to that. And this stuff is so simple. I mean, especially if you just make it the regular way. Like I said, this recipe has been around for years. And to that, I'm going to add in my sour cream. Yep, I woke up this morning all stuffy, and I'm like, here we go. Allergies are going to start up on me. I've been outside, and it's been windy, and just trying to enjoy that cool air. It then makes me feel horrible later. But this is definitely, like I said, and it's a good side dish. Even if you like dressing, this is just another delicious side that you could add to your Thanksgiving meal. And I'm going to add in 1 large beaten egg. Get that beaten up real good. I already had it beaten. I'm just beating it a little bit more. Now, some people don't like to add egg to it. You leave it out. I'm going to add in some diced green chilies. I like the hot ones. Just a couple of tablespoons of those in there. Adds a little bit more flavor. Now this is a casserole. It's going to be a little bit, it's going to be more moist than a cornbread. So don't overbake it. And I'm going to add in, this is just ground breakfast sausage. You can use whatever flavor you like. They have the sage, they have the hot, they have the original. I'm using the original. And we're just going to get this mixed up.
It's already smelling good.
Yeah, Curtis, look, no onions. You can also throw you a couple of chopped green onions in here if you wanted to.
I wouldn't suggest that part.
Well, of course you wouldn't, Curtis. That's why it's not in here. It's really good, you guys. It really is. And it has a sweet flavor to it because we're using the Jiffy cornbread mix. That's what we're adding next. We're adding in an 8.5-ounce box. We'll add that in. And get your pan, whatever you're using, size pan, 9 by 9 or a 8 by 8 or a 9 by 13. Get that buttered up. Get your oven preheated to 350. Just going to work that in there a little bit. Then we're going to add our melted butter. And I'm just going to get this mixed up. Okay, I have my pan here, buttered. And it's just that easy. Just stir it up good. Just don't overmix. You just want to make sure that egg and stuff is all mixed up in there. Now, if you want it more fluffy, you can add 2 eggs. But I like 1. I have added the 2 eggs. Mama and Daddy like that when I added the 2 eggs. Comes out more of a souffle-like. But I like just 1 egg. All right. Gonna get this spread out. Pan is buttered. I'll let y'all know how long mine baked, but if, like I said, you're using different size pans, because some of us just, you see a recipe, and it's like, I don't have that size pan. This can be made in any size pan, as long as it's big enough. You just have to adjust your cooking time. Golden brown, toothpick comes out clean in the middle, it's done. Serve it nice and warm. Okay, in the oven it goes, guys. Okay, my friends, there is the corn casserole. Mine baked for 50 minutes. Okay, just don't overbake it. Now you can spoon this out. You take this out however you want it. But remember, it's going to be very moist. Let me get a piece here so I can show it to y'all. Okay, I got us some out of here, so y'all can get a better look at that. It's nice and moist. Curtis, are you going to try it?
Oh, yeah.
I wish my voice wasn't like this. Here you go, son.
Let's see what we got going on.
Very moist. A delicious side, y'all. Delicious. Hot.
Mm-hmm. Mmm. Oh, that is so good.
You like that?
Oh, yeah.
I love that stuff. I could make a meal out of that by itself. Give me that and some cranberry sauce. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Very good. See there, guys, all that corn in there.
Where you taking my plate?
I want to show them. It's delicious. It really is. For a lot of y'all are familiar with it. A lot of people never even heard of it. But it's very old recipe. Goes way back. But I hope you guys enjoy this. Please like and subscribe as always. You're so appreciated. Help me get me out there and make y'all up some of this. If you don't like dressing, this is the great substitute for it. Okay, so I love y'all, and we will see y'all next week. Stay blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.